Greetings. In this video we will be looking at data types. At the end of this video you should be able to correctly define data types, accurately identify and explain the major data types, give examples of the different data types. If you are new to this channel, you should subscribe so you do not miss any new videos. Also, if this video was beneficial, please like and share. Thanks. So without further delay, let's begin. What is a data type? This indicates the types of data that is stored in a variable. For example, numbers or characters. For more information on variables, see my video titled Variables and Constants. So now that you know what a data type is, let us look at the main data types. Right? Now, the main data types are, you have what we call integers, you have floating point or real, you have characters, you have strings, and the last one is what we call Boolean, right? Now, integers are practically whole numbers, right? Just remember that integers are whole numbers, and examples are things like the number 1, the number 2, etc. Whole numbers, right? When we talk about floating point data types or real data types, we're talking about numbers that has a decimal point, right? So we'll talk about things like 1.2, right? Or say for example 13.3. So those are examples of floating point. So let me repeat, floating point, these are numbers that include a decimal point. The next data type is what we call characters, and these are practically letters of the alphabet or symbols or anything that is non-numeric. Just remember that. So for instance, we have A is a character, B is a character, right, etc. Then we have what is called a string, and a string is special, right? It is a series or a combination of characters, and this is called a string. So for instance, A by itself is a character, but if I'm supposed to combine A and B together, it's now called a string. So two or more characters combined together is called a string. Now the last data type is one that we don't use a lot. It's a very special one, right? And it's called Boolean, right? This is a special data type that has one or two possible values, which is intended to represent the two truth values of logic and Boolean algebra, right? And this data type, most of the time you will see person storing either true or false in it, or 1 or 0, right? Cool. So that's it, guys.